to welcome you to our video called Mindset of a World Trillionaire Forex Trader. In this video, we're basically going to be talking about how to make a trading plan. And a trading plan is simply an organized approach a trader has when executing a trading system. So the first thing is in your trading plan, what you want to have written down is the pairs you want to trade. And we recommend trading the major currency pairs, Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, GBP JPY USD CAD. Now, if you're really trying to make some money, you want to trade the volatile pairs, right? And these volatile currency pairs are basically pairs that move 100 pips a day plus. So those pairs are GBP NZD, GBP AUD, GBP JPY, GBP CAD, and GBP AUD, all right? The next thing is you want to pick 1 to 2 pairs and focus on just those two for 6 months. So the best pairs I recommend for you to trade would be GU and GBP JPY. Reason being because they are correlated. They move together, all right? What do you say in your head? If they move together, why do I need to focus on 2? Just trade 1. And that's the point. If you can just trade 1 pair, do it. You trade 1 pair, you make money all day because you learn that pair, all right? The next thing is you want to pick a trading time and you want to incorporate it into your daily time. So the best time to trade GBP pairs would be at 3 a.m. The best time to trade USD pairs would be at 8 a.m. The best time to trade Australian pairs would be at 8 p.m. Right? Then you have Chef and NZD. You trade those at 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. the same time because they're European. So, and you have the Euro pair. Of course, you trade that during 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. as well. Same thing applies. So, you just want to pick your trading time and make sure it correlates with the pair that you have. Next thing is in your trading plan, you need to put your preconditions. What is it going to take for you to enter a trade and exit a trade? So your preconditions can be, all right, if it obeys my structure, my trend, my Fibonacci, all those other different tools, then I will enter the trade. If it breaks structure, breaks X, Y, and Z, then I will close my trade. Those are your preconditions. The next thing is on your trading plan, you want to have rules. These rules can be, all right, I'm not going to trade if I'm not in the right mindset. I'm not going to trade if I'm rushing. I'm not going to trade if I'm anxious to make money. I'm not going to trade if I need the money. So those are some rules that you want to set in place for yourself just so you can know you never break them. Because what you're going to realize is the more you break your trading plan, what's going to happen is the more you're going to lose, right? Disciplined traders win the most in this market. Also, what you want to put in your trading plan is how much trades will you take daily? In that daily taking trades, how much trades out of that will it take for you to stop trading? All right, so if you lose 2 trades, you'll be like, all right, I'm done for the day. All right, the next thing is you want to choose when you will withdraw your funds. So if you choose 2 weeks and your goal was $500 and you only made $350, withdraw your profit. Excuse me. You need to withdraw your profit. You need to feel this money real. All right. Now, if you have a compound account, of course, just compound that account. But if you're new, I recommend withdrawing your profits the first time just to feel it. It's real. It hits your bank account. Get motivated. All right. Next thing is you want to make a compound plan. There's a downloadable link on the screen for you to actually download it. If it's not on this, if it has been removed because of some updates, you would find it in the Discord. All right. And it's easy to adjust. But that basically covers how to make a trading plan. It's super simple. Don't make it complicated. Just make it and just follow it. Reason being because we need a blueprint for our life. You cannot build something without following a blueprint. You might say you have good memory. Cool. Our memory fails us, all right? You might say memory doesn't fail you. What all do you remember? Do you remember every single thing you saw today? If you don't, write it down. Let's go.